In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default download folder in Opera GX. If you regularly save files while browsing the web, changing the default folder where Opera GX stores them can help keep your computer more organized. Instead of having every file saved to the same location, you can choose a folder that better suits your workflow, making it easier to find your documents, images, videos, and other files later. Opera GX makes this process quick and simple, and in this video, I'll guide you through each step so you can update the setting in just a few minutes. To get started, open Opera GX on your computer and wait for the browser to finish loading. Once you're on the main browser window, locate the Settings option and open it. The Settings page is where Opera GX lets you customize many different features, including privacy, appearance, performance, and file management. Everything is organized into categories, making it easy to locate the setting you need. After the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the Downloads section. Click on Downloads to open the available options. This section contains the settings that control where files are saved and how Opera GX handles files that you choose to save from websites. Once you're in the Downloads section, look for the Location setting. Next to it, you'll see a Change button. Click Change to open the folder selection window. You can now browse through the folders on your computer and choose the location where you want Opera GX to save files by default. Take your time selecting the folder that works best for you. Many people create a dedicated folder for work, school, or personal files to keep everything organized, but you can choose any location that's convenient for your needs. After selecting your preferred folder, confirm your choice, and Opera GX will use that location as the new default folder for future files you save. From this point forward, files will automatically be stored in the folder you've selected, unless you choose a different location manually. If you'd rather decide where each file is saved every time, you can also enable the option labeled Ask, where to save each file before downloading. Turning on this setting allows Opera GX to display a Save Location window whenever you save a file, giving you complete control over where each file is stored. And that's all there is to changing the default folder for saved files in Opera GX. It's a simple setting that can make managing your files much more convenient and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,